To download a specific Creative Cloud application, visit creativecloud.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe ID and password. Select Apps in the column on the left, find the app you want to download, then click Install. Double-click the downloaded file on your desktop to launch the app installer. On a Mac, the name of the downloaded file is installer.dmg. On a Windows PC, the name of the downloaded file is setup.exe. Once the installer window opens, sign in to your Adobe account with your Adobe ID and password, fill out the short questionnaire that opens on your screen, and click Continue. Click Start Installing to install your app. Once installed, your app will launch automatically. If the app does not launch, navigate to the Creative Cloud app from your Mac or Windows device. On Mac, go to the Finder, Applications, Adobe Creative Cloud folder and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. On Windows, go to the Program Files, Adobe, Adobe Creative Cloud, ACC folder, and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. To learn more about managing your Adobe apps, services, and subscriptions, watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe.